Voice control, Alexa Google Assistant compatible, requires a Z-Wave certified hub. Works with the following Z-Wave certified hubs: SmartThings, Ring Alarm, Wink, ADT Pulse, ADT Command, Trane, Vivint, Nexia, Honeywell, Seer, Harmony Home Hub Extender, Vera and more. Selectable motion control, personalize the switch with 3 motion detection options: occupancy, vacancy and manual. Occupancy mode turns lights on/off automatically, while lights are turned on manually and off automatically in the vacancy setting. To deactivate the motion sensor, select manual operation. With 5 timeout duration options ranging from 5 seconds to 30 minutes and up to 180-degree detection coverage, the switch accommodates any room with varying amounts of activity. Additionally, enjoy custom scenes, versatile scheduling and convenient alerts with remote operation and voice control when connected to a compatible hub. 3-way ready. The smart device operates perfectly on its own or seamlessly integrates into multi-switch setups with required add-on switches. Models 12723, 12728, 46199 or 46200. Up to 4 add-on switches can be connected to the same device. Voltage, 120 volt. Full home coverage. Z-Wave Plus works with all previous Z-Wave generations to allow continued expansion of your home automation network. The switch is capable of controlling indoor or outdoor fixtures for whole home automation and repeats your Z-Wave signal from your hub or other devices to extend your range by up to 150 feet. Extended signal range increases your home automation coverage to enhance your control. Easy installation. Requires indoor in-wall installation with hardwired connections. Neutral wire required. Includes white and light almond cover buttons, wall plate not included. Works with all LED, CFL, incandescent and halogen bulbs as well as other devices. Operating temperature range 32 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Top reviews from the United States. A top-notch Z-Wave Plus switch brimming with features. Great piece of technology and a top-notch addition to the Z-Wave devices enabling today's smart home. I installed 3 of these to control the lights in each of my bathrooms. As with all GE Z-Wave switches, this one was a breeze to install. Unlike other GE Z-Wave switches, this one's got some seriously stylish curves to it. I had no trouble pairing the switch with my SmartThings V2 hub and configuring all of its functions via the community-built device handler. Exposes things like motion sensitivity, timeout interval, etc. The motion sensitivity and radius of detection are stellar. The dimming functionality, both automatic and manual, is smooth. I also used the built-in motion sensors and a smart app to run my hot water recirc pump whenever someone enters one of the bathrooms, which makes the whole system way more energy efficient. Overall, a great product. Highly recommended.